turn you around. That's the first out of bounds of this hurricane. It's coming into Florida. We in Newberry, South Carolina, so we're about 45 minutes from the middle of the state, northwest of Columbia. So that's your first out of bounds, and it's rain behind that. So we're gonna hurry up and see if we can get this tote filled right quick. And the wind has just got here. It wasn't no breeze, it was dead calm. So you can,
hurry up.
all right, wife wanna go to work. She don't like getting wet on a Tuesday. Say it again.
I just got my hair cut. Don't want to get wet. Just kidding.